Hey, good morning and welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. We have a 1997 Honda BF75 TA 20-inch remote, 75 horsepower. The compression on the cylinders are 200 on every cylinder. Lower unit pressure tested good. Does come with a prop, comes with a control box. It's got new plugs, new water pump impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, clean the carburetors. This is a carbureted engine, not an EFI. If we ship this motor to you, it will come with no oil in the power head, but we'll ship the appropriate amount of oil you'd need to put back in the power head to get the oil back in the power head. Let's fire it up here. Pumping good water. Not too clean right now, but they'll clean it up, get pictures of it. Sounds like we have something in our tank. Smooth running little motor. Reverse. So here's something clanking around in our tank in there, so I don't want to get it caught up in the prop. Starts right up. Great little engine. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com and ask for James Jr. Thank you and have a great day.